When stars die, they explode brilliantly in what is called supernova, expelling huge amount of energy as X-rays and gamma rays. So how bright are these supernovas? They are as bright as 10 billion suns, releasing more energy in one instant than sun its entire lifetime. So they are the bright, but still don't last, and they are not the brightest thing. To understand the brightest sustained thing in the universe, we have to look at the darkest thing that happens in universe. To consider this, we have to look at the darkest things and how they interact with light. But black holes do, and true to their names, they are the darkest thing in the universe. A black hole is highly concentrated, densely packed gravitational point in space from which nothing can escape. Any material that stays too close to a black hole will be devoured, and generally means stars, gases and dust. The cosmic material rotate around the black hole and is what astronomers see when they detect a black hole. But ultimately the pull of gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. Black holes rotating at the center of the galaxy's material is highly energetic process. Some material is sucked into the black hole, but some is sent streaming away from it in giant jets above and below it, essentially turning on what's called a quasar. The term quasar originated as a contraction of quasi-stellar radio source because quasars were first identified during 1950s as a source of radio wave. Although quasars appear faint when viewed from Earth, they are visible from extreme distances, being the most luminous object in the known universe. The brightest quasar is 3C273 in constellation of Virgo. The 3C273 quasar is the brightest, and even the billions of galaxies cannot produce so much light that this 3C273 quasar will produce. The term quasar is originated by quasi-stellar radio waves, and the 3C273 quasar is about 33 light years away. This quasar intensity is about 4 trillion times that of Sun and about 100 times that of total light of giant galaxies like Milky Way. While dealing with one of the darkest thing in the universe and one of the brightest things that happened in universe, we should also become familiar with one of the most energetic things that happens in universe, the gamma ray burst. Gamma ray bursts. They are extremely energetic explosions that have been observed in distant galaxies. They are the most energetic and the brightest electromagnetic events known to occur in universe. These bursts can last from milliseconds to several hours. These typical bursts release as much energy in a few seconds as the sun will in its entire 10 billion year of lifetime. All these explosions have originated outside the Milky Way galaxies, and it has been hypothesized that if a gamma ray burst points towards a Milky Way galaxy, a mass extinction can cause on Earth. Gamma ray burst was first detected by Vela satellites. Gamma ray bursts are observed to have true energy, the mass energy equivalent to Earth, about 5.5 to 10 to the power 41 joules. Gamma ray bursts are formed by colliding of neutron stars. A second theory proposed that gamma ray bursts are the result of merging between a neutron star and a black hole or between two black holes. The energy can be compared to nuclear bombs, and it is believed that gamma ray burst produces as much energy that if 10 trillion billion megatron nuclear bombs will produce. Meaning if 10 trillion and another trillion and another billion and megatron nuclear bombs will produce. So I have discussed one of the darkest thing in the universe, one of the brightest thing in the universe, and one of the most energetic things that happens in universe. I hope you like the video. Please like, comment and share, and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.